The next initiative that NPTEL brought about, because many times when we interacted and we had forwarded the resumes of NPTEL learners to companies that were looking out for hiring people, one thing that we found that was even though the NPTEL learners had good certifications and marks from us, they were unable to communicate very clearly and express themselves very clearly, and that's where we saw the lack of soft skill training and confidence in such learners. So we came up with an initiative where we have a set of soft skill trainers on board with us, and we reach out to local chapters, the colleges that partner with us, and we say that if they have a batch of say 30 students who require soft skill training, we'd be happy to extend that, again totally free of cost. NPTEL does it just for its partners, which are the local chapters, and these could be 7-day trainings or 14-day training that we put the students through. In these trainings, they do employability assessment tests, they do online mock interviews, they do group discussions, they also get a half an hour one-on-one time with the soft skill trainer. So there they get inputs only for them on how they are presenting, on how they are communicating, which areas they have to improve on, how does their resume look, and so on. So these students also do a half an hour one-on-one with the soft skill trainers to get specific inputs. The numbers in terms of what we have done, about 244 colleges we have completed soft skill training so far, and who are partnered with us. And some numbers here, the interactive group session had about 7,000 people who participated overall so far, and HR mock interview one-on-one 4,286 have been undergoing from our side. Impact of soft skill training, we have found that the students who went through the soft skill training, definitely their confidence was much better when they went in for interviews, and they also got a lot of tips from the soft skill trainers, and these are feedback which says that it helped them in actually preparing and presenting themselves to potential recruiters or for anybody else who was interviewing them.